Hello, and welcome. Today we're going to be talking about theme development, specifically BigCommerce's theme development using Stencil and Cornerstone. Stencil is BigCommerce's theme engine. It's responsible for powering the BigCommerce Cornerstone theme. Its use of handlebars, JavaScript, and YAML front matter on the front end allows you, the developers, to create dynamic templated customizations across your BigCommerce storefront. Now, as we previously discussed, when you go in, you can start using the Page Builder tool. That is available on Stencil themes and allows merchants to customize a storefront, the look and feel with no coding, making customizations possibly easier. The page builder enables quick and easy customizations of a theme's color, banners, headings, carousel, footer. It also enables customizations of a storefront's layout characteristics, such as the number of products displayed in various panels, category pages, brand pages, and just overall easy low code, no code for personalizing your theme. Being that the Stencil themes are responsive and mobile friendly themes, you might want to get a little more invested in how your specific theme will look, feel, and create a general overall unique experience for your users. Now, we previously touched on, but we did not get fully into, when you're using the page builder, you can indeed go and edit some of the theme files through your browser itself. It is limited though. You will not be able to work on your schema or your stencil configured files. That being said, there is a way where you can do even more in-depth creation and theme editing for your BigCommerce Cornerstone theme. Cornerstone is the theme building block start point for developing things for BigCommerce. It is available open source on GitHub. It comes in 3 fully responsive variations, and this is where we will be starting with our onboarding experience. Now, the first thing we will need to do is install and onboard the Stencil CLI. Stencil CLI enables you, the developer, to locally work on and customize any stencil theme. It'll have no impact on a live storefront during the development process, and when developing locally, you have access to the real-time browser sync preview for testing across desktop, mobile, and tablet devices. Stencil CLI runs on Node.js runtime environment. Installing Node.js also provides the required npm package manager. Once you work locally and your work is complete, you can then, using Stencil CLI, push the theme to your BigCommerce storefront and set it live. This is really great for just testing, editing, making sure no bugs or things will happen while you're doing on a local development without it going to a live merchant storefront. You can find the link to the Stencil CLI GitHub repo in the links down below. So the first thing we're going to need to do is install the Stencil CLI. I'll be using a Mac for this demonstration. So to install the Stencil CLI and its dependencies on a Mac, open a terminal and run the following commands. First thing we will need to do bin set up. Whoops. That is an error on my part. Check the spelling there. Okay, there we go. Then we're going to need to install the Node version manager, the NVM. We'll just wait for this to install. Once that is installed, we will need to install the Stencil CLI supported version of Node. I seem to be running into some issues here. Just going to try and reinstall. Not yet installed. See if we can run a debug on this NVM and see what's going on here. Let's see. And one more time. And there we have it. Now we need to switch to Stencil CLI supported version of Node. And then we just need to install Stencil CLI itself. And there we have it. Once this is loaded, we will have Stencil CLI set up to start doing browser sync and theme development. All right, everything looks good. Well, thank you for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.